Do you have any plan today, Azam?
No, do you have any idea, Adam?
How about we are watching movie?
That's good idea.
Let's go.
Let's go. Welcome to our theater.
Thank you.
Can I help you, sir?
I want to watch Avenger movie.
Okay, which row do you want to see? Line 2 from the row. Of course, sir, for how many people?
Just 2 people.
Okay, sir, your seat number is 62 and 63.
I see now.
Anything else, sir? No, it's enough.
Yes, you're right.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Where is our seat?
At back row.
I think the movie is not big yet.
You are right.
Do you want to buy a snack and drink?
No, thanks. Let's just...
Okay, the movie will be start at 10 minutes.